Right over here for me. Now hands on top of your head, Jane. I'm gonna get rid of your pencil so you don't stab me in the leg. On top of your head, Jane. Elbows, interlock your hands. Roll back to me. Good, so interlock your fingers for me, yep, and open your arms up and relax your head back. Take a breath in and out and let this just drop back. There you go. Arm around, grab my opposite shoulder, hold on, hold on. There you go, now let it roll back. There you go.
Your hands right here, there we go. Okay. Just like that. Heard that one. That heard that one. Everybody heard that one. They probably heard that one up in Austin at the TCA office. There you go. There you go. There we go. Atta girl. Yes, ma'am. I got you. There we go. Wow, you're gonna make quite the impression. They love screamers too. We got the best crack addict fans in the world. There you go. Okay.
I'm stuck up here. Oof. Yeah. In here. Good. All right, let's check those first ribs. Turn your head this way. Put this hand here. So I like this first rib adjustment because it's awesome for neck, shoulder, and upper back issues. We put the hand here to kind of protect the patient, and my piezoform comes right into the clavicles right here. It comes right underneath that, and it sits right on that first rib. And then we can really get that first rib to pop up this way if we rotate the head away and then laterally flex away. Go ahead and reach this arm around, grab my opposite shoulder. She's just gonna hold on so I can lift up and pull her shoulder blade out of the way. There you go. Good, now roll on your side, face me here. Good, so just bring you down, let this rock. Good, other side. Good. Let this drop for me. Good. On your back, and let your hips relax. Good. Good. Relax this. Let your arms hang on the floor. Take a breath in and out. Lift your head for me. There you go.
Ooh, look who's moving today. Beautiful, Ash. Come on, your right side facing me.
Yeah, get this one right.
This way, this way. And then I'll roll to the other side, Sarah. There you go, hips relaxed. Straighten that out. Okay, locking those arms here. Breathe in deep. And out. Hips relaxed, shoulders relaxed. She's tight.
Ooh, ready?
Yo, that would be funny. And it would get followers too.
Face up, Ash.
Like, follow my shadow.
Thank you, Ray.
You know what I mean?
All the way out. Check, relax, check, chest. Nice. Good movement. And then hips relax. We're gonna come over this way facing me now, please. The blue wall. This way. The upper back's moving more and more.
Really?
Despite, yeah,
My
really.
right side is so sore.
That's because your body keeps trying to go back and keeps trying to squeeze down. It's been like that for years. Yeah, that's why you're on the care plan. Hips relax. Smoother. Better. Right this way. Hips relaxed. Right. There, breath in. All the way out. Shoulders relaxed. Drop the hips, drop the hips. Awesome. Okay. Down, breathe in. Squeeze and fall back. Look up. Fall back more. Drop your head a little bit. Drop it. Wow. Yeah. We're doing what's called an anterior cervical. Drop the head all the way, right through there a little more. Beautiful.
Yeah. So we examined Anna before this, so we know exactly what's going on, what we're treating on her. We're going to adjust her where she needs it. Let this loose, Anna. There you go. And then this one here. Oh, those were big ones, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Check your first rib. Turn your head this way, please. Hand here. Reach this arm around. Grab my opposite shoulder. Good. Little baby one there. Now roll on your side. Face me this way, okay? Have you missed this? Yeah.
So much.
Let this relax back. There you go. Other side. Been looking forward to this adjustment. Good. On your back. Let this drop in right there. Take a breath in and out. Lift your head up, please. Good. All right, let's check your knees too, okay? Good. Comments below what your plans are for the summer, especially if they are to come visit us. There you go. There it is.
Mama.
How'd that feel? Good. All right, go ahead and stand. Yeah, go and sit right there.
That was fun.
That was a good one. All right, sassy up. Pull that elbow back. Pull. Good. Let's see. Pull. Good.
Oh, that was fun.
Very cool. Awesome. Thank you, Bobby. Breathe in deep. All the way out. Head relax. Think about love. Trap. All the way.
Wait, I did good.
In.
That's sweet, Aiden.
And out.
Sorry.
Next time I'm gonna swing. Okay, breathe in deep. And out. Chin relaxed.
Oh.
Like that. There we
Oh.
go.
Oh!
I know.
Oh! Oh! God!
Let's live.
Oh God!
Okay. You good, London?
Yes.
Champion.
Oh shit!
He's just trying to get in the video. Breathe in. And out.
That one feels the best.
Hands up here, London, on top of mine. Interlock your fingers. Go ahead and squeeze really hard. Ow, not that hard.
Oh, sorry.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, not that. Is this
Squeeze
good?
down. Yeah, I'm kidding. Fall back. A little bit. Drop all the way.
Wait.
I'll just wait for you. There we go. It's always the
Right there.
chest relaxed. There you go. Yeah, breathe in. Loose. Chin relaxed. Beautiful. Come on over this way. This girl is styling today, man. I don't even want to like mess up the outfit, you know? Okay. Right. Lift the hips up. Higher. Breathe in deep. And all the way out. Drop the hips. There you go. Yeah. Big breath in and out. You alright? That was a big one. Yeah. Let's more back to your normal self. Big breath in. Head relaxed. Let it go.
Every time I get nervous.
You get the easy job. There we go. Now you notice I don't ever do that side posture adjustment on people because I feel like that creates ligamentous instability in the SI joints in the lumbosacral spine region. I know a lot of chiropractors do adjust like that, but I don't like it. I don't let chiropractors adjust me like that, because it always hurts me even more, especially if you have asymmetrical facets or spondylolisthesis or herniated disc. Just breathe normal for me. There you go. Yeah, see, I knew you'd be a crack addict's favorite. Yeah. That's a girl. Okay. February day. Okay, nice and easy. Breathe. That a girl.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's the most common reaction we get is OMG. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Okay, keep breathing.
I think I'm taller.
Yes, you are. I got you. That's a girl. Oh, yeah. I told you I was just getting started.
Up a little bit, head relaxed. Arms to the floor. Yeah, loose all the way.
Yes.
Stress much? Shades. All right, breathe in. And out. Shoulders relaxed, chest relaxed. Drop, drop, drop.
Oh.
Wow. You could just see this whole area relax afterwards. Breathe in and out. Chin up slightly, chest relaxed, arms loose. Wow. It's amazing. Hips relaxed. Checking the motion of the sacrum. We're going to do something a little different here. You're going to lay on your side facing me, love. Okay. I'm going to bend here. This one's a little bit different angles. You lift up your hips in the air, up, up, and then let go. And then let the arms relax. Breathe in deep. Yep,
Okay.
and breathe. And out.
Oh, I like that one.
Crazy. Okay, and then we're going back to the same position. Right there. Just go like this. Breathe in and out. Shoulders relaxed. Oh, that was tight. Yeah, it's tough when it doesn't move so well.
Yeah.
Come on over this way. Let me slide the table over so I'm not rearing Swan's face so much. Here we go. I can move. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, big breath in and out. And we go this way. Drop the hips. Beautiful.
Yeah. Sure.
Come on. Okay, big breath in and out. Let it go. There you go. Drop your head all the way. It's right for you.
Ah, that was actually not that bad. Am I done?
Would you relax? Have you seen your spine?
Yeah.
Would you relax? Breathe in deep.
I do the other way too?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't do it. You just relax.
Okay. I'm
She likes to drive the bus, huh? Yeah.
no.
She doesn't though. She likes it.
I'm trying to relax here.
Breathe. And out. Drop, drop, drop. Oh.
We're going to drop a little bit lower and I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and then exhale all the way out. Good. I'm going to do that one more time for you. Deep breath in and let it out. Good.
Okay.
Good. Just like that, perfect. And you already like moved right when I set you up easily.
It's hilarious.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, she. So I know you felt that ankle release.
That felt good.
Okay, we're gonna do this ankle now. Okay. And then bring your elbows together. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Good. Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah. That's crazy how much you can hear it when it's like done.